Go to Discovery on Demand. Wow, that was fast. Find a kids movie under Stars on Demand. Oh, it takes a minute, doesn't it? Go into it. Dang, that was quick. Go to Nickelodeon. Oop, do you know what channel it is? Oh, do you know what channel it is? Oh man, you even know what channel it is. Wow. Disney Channel. Let's see, is that the Disney Channel? What's on? Is that Disney? Nope, that one Disney. There's Disney Channel. How about the Discovery Channel? What channel is that by memory? There's the Discovery Channel. Look at you. Good job, Christian.